Hello, my name is Stephen Nord. I'm the web designer here at dotcomsecrets.com. I'd like to share with you guys today a few tips on how we can use design to grab a user's attention immediately once they come to your website. It's super important that you do grab their attention immediately once they first view your website. I'm talking like within the first 2 to 3 seconds here. 3 seconds is probably pushing it a little bit. You probably want to get their attention within the first second or two. If you don't, they're going to go to another website and may never come back to yours. So grabbing their attention right off the get-go is super important. What can we do to grab their attention? That's where graphic design comes into play. We use graphic design. We try to find, us as graphic designers or web designers, try to find interesting ways to use visuals such as color, lines, and textures, and anything graphic that we can come up with to actually make a person stop and read what we're giving them. What I like to do to grab their attention is I like to use bold colors. I like to use a lot of primary colors personally. I'm not much of a pastel person. I like to put my most important elements big and bold, easy to see, lots of white space around them, so that it's super easy to find them. What are some other things we can do to draw attention? Try doodling. Everybody's doodled from time to time when they're sitting at a meeting or on the phone. You're drawing little doodles, sketching here and there. Believe it or not, little hand doodles are a great attention grabber. If you want somebody to see your main call to action and you want them to look at it, believe it or not, just draw an arrow to it. Draw an arrow to it and they're going to look at it. For some reason, arrows have a great conversion rate. But what are some other things we can do to draw attention? Handwritten fonts. Typically you're going to see the standard typeset font, Helvetica, Arial, whatever. If you have a main important element or a major important element that you want people to see, try using a different font, like a handwritten font, to kind of break up the continuous use of all the other fonts, and that'll set it apart from those and draw more attention to it. What I like to do is focus on the above the fold area before I move on to anything else that's going to contain my main call to action, and I'm going to use design elements such as, like I said, color, shape, texture, lines, all that, anything I can come up with to draw their attention to it. And like I said, if you have to, just draw a line to it, try drawing a circle around it, making things bigger than you normally would or bolder. Maybe step back a few feet and look at it and see if it jumps out at you. If it does, then you've done your job right. If you haven't done so already, I encourage you to go to dotcomsecrets.com and subscribe to our membership. There's tons and tons of great information on there that's going to help you have a more successful website.